In this video, I will show you how to transfer dice in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Monopoly Go on your device. So here we are on Monopoly Go. As you can see, I'm currently logged into my account. Now, at the moment, it's not actually a feature to send or transfer dice. However, a way around this is if you come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines to open up the menu. And what you want to do is go into the shop. Now, what you can actually do is purchase dice. So what you can effectively do is purchase dice for someone using, of course, your bank account details. And when you purchase dice for someone, that is effectively a way of how you can transfer dice to another person. So hopefully in the near future, there will be the feature to transfer dice on Monopoly Go. But as a workaround, this is the best way to transfer dice. So come across to the shop, purchase dice for someone, and just basically let them know that you want to purchase dice and transfer them across. And then you would just go ahead and purchase them with your bank account. So that's how to go ahead and transfer dice in Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.